Good morning, everyone. This is Anne Marie. Today is Thursday, December the 20th, one day from the end of the world. So we better make hay while the sun shines. All right, enough with the jokes. So, taking a look at the SPY, we've got the monthly VWAP sitting up here. See how extended we are from it. Should give us a little bit of pause. Doesn't mean that we don't stay extended from it for a time, but we know that we are in accelerated momentum when this sort of thing happens, and so we must watch for confirmation of that kind of event moving downwards. So what I have drawn here, and I'm going to highlight it like this, is a gartley. Now, if we are at a gartley, we are in a reversal space. So we'll be starting a new leg that will be a measurement of this CD leg. And if we're going to have general retracement, it could come back into this congestion area. It could come back into this region right here, or even this region right here, before moving back to the upside, because I think we're actually in an even bigger pattern that's not quite finished just yet. That being said, what we are doing yesterday is well, what we started to do yesterday was pull back right off of these 78.6 target regions, right? It's the XA leg, has the 78.6 retracement event. It's right there. We were up above it just for a moment and then came right back down. And now we're pulling back. Now we are bouncing a little bit in the pre-market after being even further down after the close, and so I surmise what we're trying to do is come into the prior lows of the day or the prior midlines of the day before we sort of stage a battle in terms of where it is that we're going. That being said, again, all we look at are the price level breaks. If we open the day and hold under 114.20, we're going to have some shorting action. Watch it come into these lower levels. Let's take a closer look. Let's go to an hourly chart. And we can see that very carefully. We lose the level. We just have ourselves a nice little step down space. And really there's a ton of noise sitting right around this 61.8 region. If we happen to hold that and then pop to the upside, we've got more extension ahead. Okay, so our primary XAB worked out well. The C pullback a little bit light, and if the C pullback is a little bit light, it's going to make this shading come shy of this one. If the C is very deep, it's going to make the shading pop up just a little bit more, so these two are closer together. All right, that's all there is to it. What do? We need to watch, see if it can hold these breaks. Watch it above this level, 144.52. You get yourself into the next space. Again, we talk about SPY here, but this is for every single thing that you work with. If you are paying attention to your candlestick formations that are giving you higher highs and higher lows, when that pattern breaks, begin to look at the wave action. See if the wave action is going to give you a percentage retrace, and watch that way. If that seems a little bit convoluted, could mean that you just need a little bit more training and that sort of thing in your trading career. All right, good luck today.